everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to another studio vlog. So in today's video it's going to be a little different because I'm going to be doing a little vlog as well as a sponsored review by VOGRACE. But before I jump into the review, I'm just going to do some little snippets of me packing orders, such as this month's Patreon print and stickers. I just want to give every single patron who's been supporting me every single month like a huge shout out, because without you guys I would not be able to be here making videos, drawing every day and making fun stuff for you guys. So thank you guys so much. I'm also super excited for this month's Patreon rewards because I got to do something a little different, especially for the sticker. It was a character design which I did based on a emoji set challenge that I asked you guys to give me on Instagram. And to celebrate, I decided to make the sticker extra big by making it 3-inch, and it turned out so pretty. Like, it was very big and shiny and the character just looks really pretty, so I'm really happy with the stickers this month. Okay, now it's time to move on to the review, which is all about VOGRACE. So for those of you who don't know what VOGRACE is, it's basically a manufacturing company based in China, I believe, and they make all sorts of different merch. So there's mouse pads, keychains, lanyards, enamel pins, wood pins, acrylic pins, acrylic stands, and just a lot of different items. So they are pretty cool. I have been sponsored by them a few months ago, so if you want to see the other review where I got like some keychains made, do check that out. It's on my channel. Now let's move on to today's review. So I got a few items. The first one is these huge mouse pads, which I am so amazed and I just love these guys. The top is very smooth and fabric, and then at the bottom it's this very grippy type of rubber, so then when you're moving around and stuff it won't move. There's a few sizes that these mouse pads come in. I went with the biggest one because I wanted it to be extra big on my table, and I also went with two designs. The first one being this awesome star bun, and the second design being this late night texts, which you guys requested as well. Overall, the quality and printing of these mouse pads is actually pretty good. It captured a lot of details, which I really liked. As you can see, the fine lines, it captures a lot of that detail, so that's really good for me. So the next set of items I got are lanyards. So I went with two designs again. The first one being this Galaxy Celestial one, which I thought fit so nicely with my whole aesthetic and brand because I wanted it to be purpley, pink, and just sparkly. For this one, the quality and material is quite similar to a nylon type of smooth, silky finish, which is pretty nice. I quite like it. It's very comfortable to touch, and it's very soft and smooth. I think when you're placing your order, it gives you a few options of what type of clasp you want. I went with this lobster looking one. So the next design is this cherry blossom one, which I thought would be quite nice for those of you who like more graphic, simple and bold designs. I can imagine it going quite well with like streetwear for some reason. But yes, overall the lanyards are actually pretty good. It's pretty smooth and the sizes are pretty good as well. And the last item I got are these acrylic charms, which I'm really excited because I got some of them last time and I really liked them, and then I wanted to check if their quality is quite consistent. So I ordered a small batch of these little froggy charms, which, not to my surprise, was pretty cute and pretty good. This time around though, I went with a different chain. So I used this little fabric keychain, so for people who don't want like the little clasp ones, they can go for the little froggy. Oh yes, a quick tip for anyone who buys acrylic charms. Usually when you get it in your mail, it will come sealed. So what you need to do is actually peel off that seal, and then that would reveal the finished final product. Because I do get comments or reviews from people saying that, oh, there's scratches and stuff, but you need to take off the little seal so that there's no scratches anymore. And yeah, that's pretty much it, the finished little froggy. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, but they also have this cool VIP program, and what that does is you get like a big discount each time you buy. So that would be pretty good for people who would bulk order or they go to conventions often and need a lot of merch. But if you're on the other side of the spectrum and you don't want to order too much, they also have very low minimum order quantities, so that's pretty good if you just want to order 1 or 2 items. So for me, I only ordered 15 keychains, so that's a good way for me to test out whether it's good or not, and also give you guys like a limited edition run. So yeah, that's pretty much my review. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. All of these items are also up in my shop for a limited edition run, so if you want to get any of these, do check out the link in the description. And once again, thank you so much for joining me on today's video. I hope you did have fun and enjoy it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!